Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel Orange Zest. My name is Kiran and this is our 2022 series where we talk a lot about personal development, financial development and many more things. So this is the last video of this series. I hope you enjoyed all the videos of this series and found it useful, motivational, or it may have inspired you in some way. And in this last video we are going to talk about 22 random things which you can do in the upcoming year so that your year will be more excited and something fun activities which you can do. So yeah, that is it, and without further ado, let's start with this video. So before starting this video, I want you all to pause this video and go bring a paper and pen to make list of all the 22 things which I am going to tell. You can add your own things or you can take inspiration from these things. So yeah, bring your pen and paper. I hope you all have pen and paper ready. So starting with the first thing. First is watch sunrise or sunset. So I cannot explain how therapeutic it is to wake up early and to watch sunrise, or to go on your terrace, or to go and see a sunset. It is the most beautiful thing which you can ever experience. I know everyone has seen a sunset or sunrise, but whenever you see a sunrise or sunset, it is magical and it is different. So try to watch a sunrise or sunset, and that is your first activity. Second is bake something for yourself. Baking is also very therapeutic. You make a sweet for sweet or savory, anything, but bake something for yourself or your family and you will really feel good, and it will also fill your stomach, and it will give you a good time for yourself. You are busy and you also enjoy yourself. So if you're someone who loves sweets or something, you can try baking for yourself. So the third one is cook new dish. So our menus are mostly restricted and we tend to eat same things over and over, but cooking new dish will it will give you a really joyful and it will be very happy moment for you. For me, having something good to eat is the best moment ever. So I try to make different dishes for myself and cook something new and fun for me and for my family, for my brother and everyone. So cook new dish for yourself and you will really enjoy the process. Fourth is eat something which you never tried. So whenever we go out, for me, I like certain things, so I always used to order that things only, but now I want to explore more. So now I try to order something different which I don't usually eat, and this is also a fun activity. Try something new to eat outside also, so it will give your taste buds little different flavor. So that is also a fun activity and you should really try doing this. And fifth is go on a hike. So whenever you have holidays or something, try to go on a hike. It should be not a very grand or something, just you can climb up a small hill, and then with your friends, with your family, with your cousins you can go. And going on hiking is also a very different experience. You get to know yourself more, you also feel relaxed and reset for the upcoming work or anything, and whatever it is in your mind, anything which are going in your mind, they also everything get aside and you only focus on hiking, and that is very also very good process. So you should for once or twice you should try going on hiking, and if you love it more, so you can go more often, but once you should definitely try going on a hike. Sixth point is watch different movies. So I tend to watch more of K-dramas and all of that thing, but sometimes I do try to watch a horror movie or some science fiction movie. So that is also a great way to do something different. Train your mind to do something different every often, because we get used to few things and that becomes our comfort zone, but we have to push ourselves beyond our comfort zone. So watching a movie is a small step in which we can go do that. So watch a different movie. And seventh is make some doodles. So whenever you have so many thoughts running on your mind, what you can do, take a piece of paper, any color pen, and try to make some doodles. Draw plant, animal or human beings, anything, but try doodling. It will also help you to relax and sometimes it may turn into a great art, who knows. So try to make some doodles. 8 is practicing gratitude. So it is very important, like whenever you get time, or like you should make time to practice gratitude in your daily life. So gratitude is very important, and it brings you a sense of like happiness, positivity and peace. So like try practicing gratitude in your daily lifestyle. Ninth one is like something different, is try a new hairstyle. So like yeah, I like to do that, like try a new hairstyle, but many of time it doesn't suits me, but like sometimes it do. So like it is great way to like experiment with your hairs also, like why to like have a same hairstyle over and over again. So like try doing a new hairstyle, and yeah, it will also help in like taking some good pictures. So that's it. 10th one is declutter your phone. So like that is the most important thing here, because like we nowadays all our work and everything is just on phone, and we take so many pictures, selfies and videos and so many things, and our phone memories, like our phone memories get full, and our phone is whole, like it is filled with all the clutter. So like try to do digital cluttering and declutter your phone, like delete all the pictures which are like same pictures, and only keep few which are like really good, and like yeah, so only keep few pictures and try to delete all the files and everything which is no required. Try to keep your phone clean and with the minimal things in it, and don't try to just fill everything and put a like download lot of apps and things. No, like try to keep your phone minimal and clutter free. So the 11th thing which I want to tell you is grow your own plants. So like try to grow a plant, but it can be a flowering plant or any plant which like gives like vegetable or fruits. So like lemon plant, chili plant, tomato, like this, any like sabji or something, because when the fruit or that sabji comes to the plant, you feel like so good, like my plant has finally like given something, and like you then harvest it and then use it, like yeah, it feels so good and you feel so happy. So try growing your own plant, and like you should name that plant also, and when you started growing it and take care of it daily, it is a like very therapeutic process in overall. And 12th is listen to a podcast. So like whenever you are doing like nothing and you feel like what should I do, I don't have anything to do, and any sort of such things, like try to listen to a podcast. It will like really help you. It will help you in learning, exploring, knowing about people. So try to listen to a podcast, and it will really help you, and like it can be your daily habit also to listen to a podcast whenever you're traveling or doing nothing, and yeah, it will really help you. Then 13th is write a letter to yourself. So you deserve to write a letter to yourself, because no one else will come and write letters to you, a long letter to you. So yes, you deserve to write a letter to yourself, like write a letter to your future self, like how you want to be in future, or write a letter to your past self, like how grateful you are, how you are doing today. So that can be also a great activity, and try doing it. 14th is pack a gift for yourself. So like it cannot be not a material gift, but anything it can be. It can be simple, like buying flowers for yourself. So like buy some flowers for yourself, pack them nicely and give them to yourself, because yes, you also deserve some gifts for yourself. So like try doing that, or else you can like buy certain things, or you can make certain DIY at home, and you can pack them nicely and give it to yourself. So give yourself something. 15th is start journaling. So like journaling is also very like nice process and nice activity to do. It will help you a lot in like growing. It should be not a very specific journal type. You can make travel journal, or like if you watch many like for like if you watch many K dramas or any different series, you can make journal for that, like different series journal. So you can write that series name, what you learned, who were the main characters and everything, funny moments of that. So travel journal, or you can maintain a food journal, and there are so many journals, or a reading journal. So you can try journaling, and yeah, it is also very good process, and I'm also doing that this year. I hope it goes very good. 16th one is like try new editing styles. So I know like every one of us here like to take photos and videos and so many things, but like try to edit them in a different app or like different filter, or like try to do it a different like kind of thing. Like don't go like as you do every time, like try to edit in a different style. And this process is also very therapeutic and you feel so good, and when you post that picture you feel more good. And like this, like try to edit your photo in a different app or different style. Try this and let me know. 17th one is find one new hobby to relax yourself. So like there are so many hobbies out there, so you can like choose one whichever you like, and like you should always practice that hobby whenever you get time, so it will help to relax yourself and it will also bring your creative side. So yeah, try to find a new hobby and try doing that. 18th is write a poem. So like you can write a poem or you can write shairi or something, and it may be a disaster piece or it may turn into something very great. So but you can try, at least you can try. So try writing a poem or a shairi or anything. Also you can write stories, play, drama, anything which you want, and try doing this. It will also help you a lot and it will be also a very fun activity. 19 is DIY, make something. So like whenever you have some waste products in your house, like what we used to do in our school days, like waste out of waste or craft and crafting and all of that things, so you can also like DIY, made something for yourself. And like all this process, like when the outcome is come, you feel really happy, like you do something creative and you feel relaxed and everything. So try to make DIY something for yourself or for a gift or anything, and you will feel really good. 20 is trying new fashion style or makeup style. So like if you are like having same kind of fashion style, or you're wearing clothes style, or same kind of makeup style for a really long period of time, you can change it a little bit, not very extreme, but you can change it to a little bit, and yeah, you will feel good and like you will get to know other side of yourself, like how you look in that kind of style or how you look in that kind of makeup, and it will be a good change. Like first do it in the home and see for yourself, and then like go out and then try. So yeah, but try new fashion style or new makeup style or anything. And 21 is have a skincare routine. So having a skincare routine is very important. So try to like have a specific morning skincare routine and a night care skincare routine, so it will like really help you overall, like for like your physical glow. Like when you like look good, you also feel good from inside out. So if that what makes sense. So yeah, try to like have a skincare routine, not a very like detailed and so many things, serum and so many things, like a simple one which will work for yourself. So if like the detailed one work for yourself, you can try that, or simple one works for yourself, you can try that, but try to have a skincare routine. 22 and the last one is go to a place you have never been visited. Like yeah, so go to a different place, like there are so many places to explore, and like find one place which you want to go and go to that place. Like make sure you go to that place, and like it will be a very good like experience overall. Like you get to explore new place, and like you get to go there, enjoy their food and enjoy everything about there, meet the people out there. So it is like very nice process. So make time for yourself and try to go out there on that place, and you will feel really good. And that's it, we complete all the 2022 points. Okay, so these were the list of all the 2022 things which you can try. You can also add your own things to this list, and yeah, you can add your own things to this list. And if you try anything from this list, like make sure to tag me on Instagram. Here I will give my handle. And I hope this series has been helpful to you, and like if you like this video, make sure to give it a like, share and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you next time in another video. Bye.